Well, do you smell pollution in the room? I do not because these two air purifiers are running right here. But which one is better buy for you? I am going to let you know. By the way, this is MI Air Purifier 2C, this is MI Air Purifier 2S. I'm going to differentiate between the both of them and I'm going to tell you which is the best buy for you. So by the way, without wasting any time, let's get started. By the way, this is Vikram and you're watching Techno Thumber. As we all know that Diwali is coming and the pollution level is going to increase, and so we need to keep our families safe. For that we really need an air purifier in the room because PM level above 60 is very dangerous for our health. So let's get started with the design of both the air purifiers first. Both air purifiers has a similar design, but it has a little bit better design because as you can see the detailing over in the air purifier 2S, the holes are just like disappearing into the body, which looks very nice as compared to there's just a line over here. This design is also good, but I like this design because the finish over it here it is very good. Secondly, this air purifier MI Air Purifier 2 has an OLED display. This does not have any OLED display, only you have the indicator, LED indicator, which has three light options, that is red, orange and green, depending upon the severity of the pollution. But over here you also get the room temperature, the humidity level, along with the level of PM 2.5. This air purifier can connect, MI Air Purifier 2S can connect with your MI Home app, from where you can remotely turn on and off this air purifier, or you can schedule turn off, and you can even check the PM 2.5 levels on the MI Home app. Additionally, you can use Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa to turn on and off this air purifier, whereas you will miss all these features in this thing. You just have to manually turn it on and off. There's no power scheduling like in the later night. I just run it for around 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, and it automatically turns off. In this I have to wake up and turn it off, but I usually don't do that because I just run it at the level 1, that is a minimum fan speed. It works all night. Let's talk about the most important feature, that is its cleaning capacity. Yes guys, the cleaning capacity, you may think that you may think that MI Air Purifier 2S will have a high cleaning capacity, but hear me out guys here. This 2C has a 2-layer HEPA filter, but this has a 3-layer. But you can use triple layer filter and put it inside the air purifier 2 and you will get it will work seamlessly. It just comes to pre-installed with 2-layer filter, but you can change it afterwards. So in terms of the filter quality, I would give them, means they both are same. The only difference with the filter which comes pre-installed in this is that 2S is that it has a carbon filter which helps to remove the odor. It has nothing to do with the filtration of PM 2.5. Next, you are going to get shocked to hear this thing, that even though this air purifier is cheap, it has a better filtration capacity and rate. Yes guys, I am not lying, nor I am kidding. It has the new design with the updated fan and better air intake system, that it has a 350 CADR rating and the 2S has 310 CADR rating. This means that this MI Air Purifier 2C can clean your room in under 10 minutes. The room size should be 450 square feet, whereas it will take same amount of time to clean 400 square feet of room. Let's talk about the smart features. You miss all the smart features in this air purifier, but you do not miss any smart feature in this air purifier. So to summarize, this MI Air Purifier 2 has a display, the smart features, you can connect it with your home and you can connect it with your any app, MI Home app, or you can use them with the virtual assistants. It has a better looking design. It gives us a real-time display of the PM 2.5, the room temperature and the humidity level, but it has a less purification capacity than the 2C. Even though it misses all those great features, but it is highly affordable and it has a better filtration capacity than the 2S. So my take would be you should go for MI Air Purifier 2C if you're comfortable by missing those smart features. Only smart features are missing over here. If you want to go for the smart features, I would say that you should skip MI Air Purifier 2S and go for MI Air Purifier 3 because it has the same amount of suction and filtration capacity than 2C, but it comes with the smart features and there's a very minimal price difference of 1500 rupees. So this was it guys about the MI Air Purifier 2C and 2S. Hope it will help you to make your decision wisely and help you to keep you and your family safe by buying one of these to curb the air level pollution in the Diwali. And also please stay safe in the Diwali and say no to the crackers and have a green Diwali. So please like to this video and subscribe to this channel because these things really keep me motivated. Along with please bell the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notifications. And so guys, stay safe and stay healthy and have a green Diwali. Till then, see you, bye bye, see you in the next one.